In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Asana to Teams. This process is simple and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a seamless integration. Let's get started. First, head over to Asana by logging in through your preferred web browser. This is where you'll initiate the integration. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the Asana homepage, a familiar sight if you've been spending time organizing your tasks and collaborating with your team. Your next step is to find one of the projects you're currently working on. Click on the project to enter the project panel, where we're going to make all the magic happen. Inside your project space, there's an option labeled Customize. This is a pretty handy feature in Asana that lets you tailor the project to suit your specific needs and preferences. Go ahead and click on Customize, and within this section, locate the Apps option. Clicking on it will open up a new area where you can manage your project integrations, a place that can become a real powerhouse for expanding your project's capabilities. Now, here's where the magic happens. You're going to want to look for the Add button. This is what you'll click to start adding new integrations or applications to your Asana project. With integrations in mind, scan the list and keep an eye out for Microsoft Teams. Once you've spotted Microsoft Teams, select it by clicking on the name. You're doing great and are almost there. The next step is to click on Add to Project. This signifies that you're ready to bridge Teams with Asana, enabling both platforms to harmonize and work seamlessly together. After you've clicked on Add to Project, you'll be prompted to connect to Microsoft Teams. So you'll want to click on Connect to Microsoft Teams. Now, as can be expected when dealing with third-party applications, you'll be asked to give some permissions for the integration. Be sure to allow these permissions by clicking on Allow, ensuring that the integration is fully enabled. This step is important because it gives the necessary permissions for Asana and Microsoft Teams to communicate properly. Finally, watch for any additional prompts on the screen to wrap up the integration process. This might involve a couple more clicks or confirmations. But once you've made it through these final steps, you will have successfully added Asana to Teams. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance your productivity and collaboration by integrating Asana with Microsoft Teams efficiently. Feel free to revisit any step if you need a refresh. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Enjoy the newfound capabilities of your enhanced workflow.